at least morning and night. That ain't gonna be optimal, but that's at least, getting the foot in the door towards better health. Hey, what's going on? It's Lance McGowan here, and one of the questions that I get somewhat, every once in a while is, how many on-guard beadlets can I take, Lance? Well, that's a great question. And for those who don't know, the on-guard beadlets come in, they're like little balls of essential oil. Half ball, half amazing. Yeah, I just said that. Okay, anyways, it's true though. Alright, so to cut to the chase, because you're probably like, alright, Lan, what the heck are you talking about right now? So the main way to use them is just obviously internally. I take one of those little balls, put on my, tongue, and then I like to crush it with my teeth, and then rub it on the roof of my mouth. And then if you're going down, if something, you're feeling under the weather, or there's people around you that aren't feeling too well, and you're kind of feeling down and out, then you probably want to take it every like 1 to 2 hours. So one beadlet, 1 to 2 hours. Now, if you want to, support your immune system a little bit better, it's less practical, but probably moving to a 15 to 20 minute frequency with one beadlet would probably be good as well. That is going to be helpful. But the very minimum that you want to go for is morning and night. So that way you're getting a little something when you wake up, you're getting a little something before you go to bed, but that's really not going to be good enough if you're like going through an airport, or you're going to public bathrooms, or like public transportation, just stepping outside the house. I mean, let's be honest here, let's be real. There's a lot of stuff out there. There's a lot of pollen and dust and microorganisms that are harmful, and I mean, the fact, whenever I go to a public restroom and see the number of guys that don't wash their hands after they finish doing their business is disgusting. It is. It's gross. That's why I use other essential oils on my hands, on top of the beadlets, on top of supplements and all the... I'll tell you what, it's a war zone out there with all the nastiness. Anyway, that's a whole nother topic. I'm not trying to, divert away from the topic, but anyway, to summarize, because you probably like, Lance, what the heck you do? Okay, so one beadlet every 1 to 2 hours, and if you can't do that, at least morning and night. That ain't gonna be optimal, but that's at least, getting the foot in the door towards better health. And then if you can, it's less practical, but it's more effective, every 15-20 minutes or so. And you're probably gonna run out of your beadlets, so you might want to use something else. There's the On Guard soft gels, there's the On Guard oil. Got other videos that I've done that talk on how to use all that as well. But other than that, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like button if you did. Hit the subscribe button for future video updates. You know what I'm saying? And on top of all that, there's some links, all down below, so you can check out my other videos. Yeah. Okay. That's all I got. We'll see you there. I'll see you there. All right? See ya. Bye.